Hi guys, I'm Lim from Wargaming Stuff and welcome back to another video. Previously, we did the unboxing of this box. Now it's empty, of course. We found is modular sets. To tidy a bit our desk that is a mess. This video, basically, I'll show you how to assemble them in an easy way. Let's get started. So, first thing first, let's open the boxes. So these are of course the pieces that we're going to assemble. As you can see, here we're going to put all the colors, of course, because perfect. These are the instructions. Okay, floor 1. This is floor 2. Floor 0. Okay. Yes, it's this one. So it goes this way. Then floor 1. This one, floor 2, yeah, floor 2, this way, goes like this, then the floor 1, 2, this hole, let's put the last 4, okay, so this is the final result. So while it's drying, we're going to assemble this one. We forgot this one. So this is, I think this is a bit bigger. Yes, with bigger hole also. This one, 4-0. Okay. The instructions say that after this, you have to put the floor 1, 2, and then 3. But I think it's better to put this before. Also this one. Okay. Okay. And now we're going to put all the floors. Yeah, I don't know, yes, here maybe. Perfect. So we're going to put this here and then this one here. And also to attach them together, we're going to use these things. 1. And 2. And this one on the bottom. The bottom, okay. Perfect. Maybe also here. Yeah, right here. Now it's time to arrange everything. Let's go. We did it. See, now it's really better. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, leave a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Comment to express your opinions about our new desk, and see you soon. Goodbye.